Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, whenever you're seeing this, I don't know, but that was some of the work that was done this year that was released that I am super proud of. This year has been quite the roller coaster, as it should be, but there's been a lot of great things, a lot of unfortunate things, a lot of friendships and collaborations that have kind of died off, and I'm left this year feeling super grateful, feeling stronger than ever, honestly, because there's been a lot of doors that have closed just to push me more towards my truth and to telling the stories that I care of telling. So there's been so many shifts that I hope I can make more clear in the new year and open up this journey of mine even more. And honestly, it feels so good to share with you guys and get all the feedback, all the love, all the support. It has meant so much to me over the years, even when some things don't go as planned, when some bad stuff happens. It's so incredibly supportive to have you guys still there and to engage with all of the weird VFX that we do on this channel, all the tutorials and the filmmaking journey that I'm experiencing, and having this community, having the friendships that I've made in LA and everything that's been growing the way that it has. It's just so special, and I feel incredibly blessed. I want to thank you guys, but also the sponsors, the many sponsors throughout this channel that have made this sustainable, including today's sponsor, Skillshare. Honestly, they have been here for a very long time. They've supported me even in times of transition, just like this one, where we're kind of stepping into unknown territory as far as content, and they still gave the trust, they still gave the support because they believe in what we're doing on here. So huge shout out to them. If you want to expand your knowledge into specific courses and explore different topics, then there is a lot to pick from. There's a ton of courses on design, photography, filmmaking and lighting, and a lot on the business side, which has been super helpful, especially in this time of transition. So I definitely recommend checking out Skillshare, going, even just browsing through their website and seeing what they have to offer. You'll see what I mean, and you'll see just the amount of good stuff that's on there that you can learn from. I really like this class on editing. It's a really good introduction to some very interesting ideas, so that's a very good place to start. Definitely worth checking out. And the best part about all this, and the reason why I like them so much, is that they are keeping it very affordable. Premium membership starts at just under $10 a month, which is pretty insane considering all of what you're getting. So definitely check out Skillshare, sign up for their premium membership, and start learning today. And with that being said, that concludes the last video of 2019, going into 2020 with hopefully a lot more blessings and a lot more clarity and balance. Balance is still something I'm trying to conquer, but I know we'll get there, and we'll get there together. So these are some of the things floating in my head going into the new year. I would love to hear yours, some of your goals, or what you thought about this video. Definitely let me know in the comments section below. I'd like to thank Skillshare again for sponsoring this video, and thank you guys for watching and continue to watch. My name is Kriscoart, and I will see you next time.
This could be the moment we've been waiting for, the chance to feel alive. Nothing's gonna stop us, nothing's gonna top this, nothing like we've ever seen.